To do the tuft couching, start by pulling out enough thread from your skein and measuring the length that you desire. Measure double the length and start folding the thread in the double measure to create a bunch of it. You can make as many layers as you want. The more, the denser. Once done, cut off the thread. So now when you fold the bunch, you will get the length that you had measured first. Now it's time to stitch onto the fabric. Use 3 to 6 strands of another thread to come out on the location you want the tuft to be. Place the layers of thread to tack it down in the middle and fold the bunch. Next, tack it down well using a horizontal stitch towards the base. Come out from behind the bunch of the threads and wrap around it and take the needle back in through the fabric. Do not make it too close to the bottom as it might slip out. I had done that earlier and it just slipped down, so this is my second attempt. Stitch it a couple of times if required. It will look like a flower. You can cut and trim the top based on the project's requirement. I hope you like this 3D stitch. You know how to let me know. Thank you for watching.